Hello students, welcome back in Unit 2, Man's Relationship with Animals, in English, Standard 8. In last point we saw that Jack said to the manager that Pierre should be retired and should be given pension. Now next point. Of course, said the manager. Manager said, definitely, we will give him pension. He has been on this route now for 30 years and not even once has there been a complaint against him. Then manager added that Pierre has been working in this company and giving milk at Prince Edward Street since 30 years and there is no complaint about him. Tell him it is time he should rest. His salary will go on just the same. So, since his working record was good, so manager told to Jack that you can tell to Pierre that he will be given pension and tell him to rest. His salary will go on just the same. Not only that, but we will give him salary same as it is now. But Pierre refused to retire. But Pierre, he did not like to get retired now. He denied. He could not bear the thought of not driving his Joseph every day because he could not bear, he could not tolerate, even he could not think also to drive without Joseph every day. He said to Jack, we are two old men, Joseph and I. Let us wear out together. When Joseph is ready to retire, then I too will leave. Pierre said to Jack, we both, means Pierre and Joseph, are old and are aged. So allow us to wear out. Wear out means get tired together. When Joseph is ready to retire, I will also get retirement. Jack, who was a kind man, understood. There was something about Pierre and Joseph which made a man smile tenderly. Jack was a kind and gentle man. He understood that there is something between Pierre and Joseph that make Pierre laugh tenderly. Here tenderly means softly or lovingly. Because they both talk sometime in gesture. It was as though each drew some hidden strength from the other. It looked like that there was some secret thing was there which gave strength to other or to each other. When Pierre was sitting in his seat and when Joseph was hitched to the wagon, neither seemed old. Pierre and Joseph, they both were aged. But when Pierre sat in his chair, Joseph was fastened or hitched to wagon. Then they were not at all looking old. But when they finished their work, Pierre would limp down the street, seeming very old indeed. But when they completed their daily work, Pierre would limp down. Here limp down means he walked with great difficulty. At that time, he looked really old. The horse head would also drop, and he would walk very warily to his stall. The horse head was also dropped, means he kept down his head and walking like he was very tired. He was tiresome when came back to his stable. Then one morning, Jack had a dreadful news for Pierre. Then one morning, Jack had a dreadful news, fearful news, bad news for Pierre. He said, Pierre, Joseph did not wake this morning. He was very old. Pierre, you know he was 25, and that is like 75 for man. He said to Pierre very gently that today morning Joseph did not wake up, means Joseph has died. He consoled Pierre and said that he was 25 years old, means his age is equal to 75 years age of a man. Yes, Pierre said slowly, I am 75. Now I shall never see him again, my poor Joseph. Pierre replied positively by nodding his head. He said, yes. He was also 75 years old, but now he will never see him again. My poor, my dear friend Joseph. Jack patted Pierre on the shoulder. We will find another horse just as good as Joseph. Jack patted. He gave a gentle touch on Pierre's shoulder and said, don't worry, we will find another horse like Joseph, which will be equally good to Joseph. Why? In a month's time you will teach him your route. And in a month or in a few days you can teach him your work, your route for selling milk. Pierre said, well, means with a heavy heart. Pierre said, okay, we will do like that. But he stopped when he looked into Pierre's eyes. But when Jack looked into Pierre's eyes, at that time he stopped. Now why he stopped? That, my dear students, we will see next time. Today is end of this session. Thank you very much.